Bar charts are not the most effective for displaying data changes over time. Instead, dash charts are preferred for this purpose. Scatter plots are used to identify the dash between two variables. A dash can visualize data density or temperature variations on a map. Bubble charts are effective for comparing datasets because they can vary in size, representing a third dimension of data, known as dash. Stacked bar charts can show the total of all categories along with their individual dash. Gantt charts are primarily used for dash management to showcase tasks over time. Sankey diagrams are effective for showing dash or material transfers between processes. Choropleth maps are used to display quantitative values over dash areas. Parallel coordinates plots are utilized for visualizing high-dimensional dash and analyzing multivariate data. Sunburst charts represent hierarchical data in a multi-level dash chart format.